I'm so grateful. I did talk to a lot of people, so I'm super grateful that I chose your course because it's really, you're wonderful. You genuinely care and you want the best, and you're very calm and you're easy to talk to and ask questions to. You don't feel intimidated by you or anything. It's really awesome. I learned a lot and I can't wait to get my hands on more models so that I can practice with them. I love how you showed me the fans. I felt like, that went really smoothly. I'm eager and excited about that. And I think that was the thing that I was most nervous about at first. And I actually find that I like that the best because it's more challenging. So I feel like the way that you did all the sanitation and how you explained everything and the way that as I was working, you gave me tips, that helped a lot because there were little things that I didn't realize I was doing. Like I was changing my hand movement and everything. So you correct me and be like, that's good, but try this. This might work better. And it was like God sent. So 2 models in one day was good.
How do you feel?
That was a lot.
How do you feel?
I feel good. I was a little nervous at first, but then doing the classic at first was really good. Like I really enjoyed that. And then doing the fans, I got nervous, and then actually doing it felt really good, so I can't wait to practice more.
And just the technique, because Nikki did an amazing job explaining and giving or sharing your techniques. I think that was amazing, and you really took your time to teach what you've learned, so that's amazing.
You did an unbelievable job of teaching me how to do my fans and showing me all the different tools that I'll be comfortable with. I've been to other classes, but you're so far the best class ever. Very understandable. I was struggling with the type of tweezer, the types of glue, the type of how I would put the lashes on for clients. It's terrible. They won't tell me exactly what to do and what not to do. She does it all, and I'm so happy.
Thank you.
She is so natural. She'll tell you what it is. She'll tell you how it is. She'll let you know if you're doing it right or not. She'll the whole time. She'll let you know. She'll let you know. She does a good job. She makes sure you come out with her name, saying that, oh, I taught her. I learned it from Cosmina.
Makes me so happy.
Yeah. Thank you
so much.
I feel like I'm ready to start practicing, and hopefully we'll be offering lashes very soon. I feel like you went over everything I needed to know, so I feel really confident.
That's awesome. How about you, Kristen?
I feel great. Before we came here this weekend, I had no idea about what I was getting into or what I was doing, but I knew I wanted to do it. It was great. She was very one-on-one, even though there was 2 of us, and hands-on, and I feel like I learned everything I needed to learn.
100% take it. You'll never be more educated.
If you would like to join me for a private lash training, click the link below and sign up the form where you can find all the information on how you can save $400 for the next 101.